Hey, what's going on, everyone? So, hey, regarding the Trady Ticks alerts that we have in the Discord server, I wanted to go ahead and backtest a few of these and show you the accuracy and how they've, lined up with what they were claiming in the alerts. So let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. I feel like this is important because if anyone in the group is playing these, I want to make sure that we're not just blindly entering into these plays, that we're treating it like any other play, and going about it in a logical standpoint. So let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. So this one came in. This is AXP. It came in. Well, actually, this is just an example. This one came in today. So technically, it's not fair because this one came in today, right before the end of the day. So we'll let this one run for a couple days. But this is just an example of what one looks like for the bullseye alerts. The alert shows up just like this. You get the symbol, the strike, the expiration, the call or put, buy or sell. They have an AI confidence level, which I wouldn't pay attention to that. Premium spent, volume, OI, and the different emojis you see. I can't find one for this one here. I assume it's volume related, but these up here, if you see these anywhere in the alerts, this is what they mean. So there's a little legend right there. But anyways, let's go ahead and actually look at what an example looks like and how it lined up with the alert itself. So this one was for Roku, 105 strike for 6:10 at 9:50 a.m. Central Time is when the alert came in. So after the market opened, this came in. Let's see how it fared. Terrible. If you would have bought this one, it doesn't matter when you would have bought it. If you would have bought it at all that day, you would have been screwed because the price tanked until expiration. So no bueno there. Fail on this one. Big time. This was Roku. Now we have Upstart 43 strike. I'm sorry, 43 put for 610. This one came in at 9:30 a.m. Central, and let's go and take a look and see how this one fared. This one worked out. I was going to say this one failed too. No, this was a put, so this one passed. You got the alert, and you could have, if you bought right after the open, if you would have waited 30 minutes, it doesn't matter. If you would have bought here, 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 you would have been in profit for the put play. So this one worked out. Next we have AMD, came in on 6/9 at 8:57 a.m. Central, expires 6/17, and this was AMD 110 strike. This one worked out as well. You had immediate profit off the open. Again, I wouldn't hold these at all. If you get profit on these, they're free alerts. If you're in the profit, take it. No one ever went broke taking profit. This one you were alerted in pre-market, buy off the open, easy money. Next we have SJT, 12.5 strike. Believe this is an ETF. Call for 6/17 is the expiration. And the alert time is 6/9, 8:55 a.m. Central, so just after the market opens. This one passed as well. This one was a little bit different. You would have had to have some kind of knowledge with technical analysis. You would have seen that immediately off the open it tanked. We're looking at the 30-minute time frame, by the way. Tanks for 30 minutes. You could have bought this bottom at any moment, and you would have made easy profit for the remainder of that day. Next we have Netflix, $200 strike, call for 6:10, alert time 8:58 a.m. on 6/9. This one, no good. Gap down, no bueno. Netflix would not have panned out. That would have not been a good play. But hopefully you would have seen the tremendous downtrend and would have avoided it altogether. Now we have pins. And we're going to go ahead and forego everything else because I wanted to mention something. F all of this extra nonsense that you see in these alerts. You don't need to know anything else about this. Like, this means nothing. The AI confidence level? No. Premium spent? Kind of important, but we have better commands in the Discord we can use. Whenever you get these alerts, quickly call commands using our Discord setup, and you can analyze these plays in real time to see if they're worth it or not. And, that's how I think we can differentiate between the good and the bad. And, we could systematically use these in a way, for optimization where we can make a little bit extra money on the side just getting free alerts handed to us. So, again, don't pay attention I wouldn't even pay attention to the strike. Buy in the money, always. Don't go out of the money. Just buy in the money. And then if you're pushed out of the money, that's your exit strategy every time. It's simple as that. If you go out of the money, you're effed if what happened to Netflix. So again, I mean, obviously all these aren't going to work. They claim an 80% win ratio, but I don't think that's true. I think it's true maybe if you incorporate your own strategy with this, which is what I think we should do. Next we have, this was Netflix, my bad. Yeah, huge fail there. Next we have pins. This one was an easy one. Alert came in pre-market. You could have easily bought off the open. You would have had a couple of opportunities to sell for a quick scalp opportunity. So, I mean, the conclusion, I looked at about 20 or 30 of these. I don't want to waste your time and show you 30 of these. But in conclusion, what I've seen and what I think we should do and how we should approach it is the alerts with the weekly expirations tend to not pan out well, which kind of aligns with our core logic. We tend to avoid weeklies because there's more liquidity planning involved, more ability for the market makers to move, literally more options. If you think about it, it's that simple, more options. So we want less options, less liquidity, so we have more room to work with. And it seems to me the lesser known stocks are the ones that pan out more often, and that's if you blindly go into it. This was based off of a blind perspective. So if you incorporate your own strategy into it, or our group strategy into it, we can make much, much more use of this crap. So don't just blindly enter this shit. Lesson for the day. And I will look into the scalps as well and the other alerts that we get, and we will dissect those as well and see how we can best utilize them.